Hi guys, in today's class we are going to discuss about Performance Max campaign. Performance Max campaign is a goal-based campaign which allows advertisers to access the all of the Google Ads inventory. And we have less control on the Performance Max campaign, and most of them have been automated. And Google's lot of machine learning and AI has been implemented in this. With Performance Max campaign, you can get more sales, leads, and conversions based upon the data you feed and audience signals you have set up in the Performance Max campaign. With the help of the Performance Max campaign, we can get new customers across the Google channels and networks, and it drives better results against your goals. And now, actually, let's go and set up a Performance Max campaign in our Google Ads. So, first, click on New Campaign, select New Campaign, and next we can create Performance Max campaign from sales, leads, website traffic, local stores and visits, and promotions. And let's create campaign without goal and guidance. So let's create from here. So here it shows a Performance Max campaign, and you can see it here. See how it works. So if you click on this, it shows how it works. Meet your goals faster and reach the right audience for your goals. And next we have show high quality ads. Okay, so let's create Performance Max campaign. Click on continue, and let's name it Performance Max lead gen. Click on continue, and directly first we have bidding options here. For suppose most of the biddings here have been automated biddings only, we can use automated biddings. So we have conversions and conversion value. Let's go ahead with conversions, and if you need you can set in a targeted CPA. It's an optional, but initially while setting up the campaign, don't restrict your budget. For suppose if you have run in a campaign for lead gen and you are getting results for 50 rupees or 80 rupees per lead, then you can go ahead and give 100 rupees here so it helps us to optimize our campaigns and reach to the wider range of audience. Okay, and drives us more conversions from here. Okay, and it's an optional. If you want to give, you can give, or else you can just ignore it. And in bid strategies, next we have customer acquisition, only bids for new customers. If you check this box, the campaign will run only for the new customers mainly. It will try to acquire new customers who haven't not yet purchased your products or even not yet filled your lead form, something like that. Okay, and to run this campaign you need to be have some data in your Google Ads account, then only we can set up this. For suppose if you check this box, it's showing the campaign will not run, because to fix this campaign there should be something, at least created audience segments in your campaign, and there should be at least 1,000 active members in your network. Okay, and this is the new account, so it's not showing any data here. And let leave it as the same, and next click on next. And next we have campaign settings. Here straightforward, you can select the location wherever you want to show, and you can select the language, to which language do you need to show. And next option we have automatically created assets. What does this means? Google will automatically create assets based upon your landing page, your website, and anything. Google will crawl your website, pics, headlines, descriptions, everything from there, and it will automatically create different types of assets from there, and it shows to the user. And first we have text assets in this. That means Google will automatically pick and creates different types of text assets like headlines, descriptions, and story users. And next we have final URL, which means Google will automatically send traffic to some of your websites based upon the user search, and Google thinks which is relevant based upon the user search keywords or something like that. And even if you exclude some of the URLs where you not to send the traffic, by clicking on this you can exclude URLs by clicking by pasting one by one, and you can set the rules here as well. Okay, and in our case we are not going to use this option. Let's have a final URL, actual URL to this. And next we have add schedule, which is straightforward. You can schedule the ads whenever you want to run. And next we have start date and end date, which is straightforward. And next we have campaign URL. We have explained this in a previous videos. You can use it for extra additional tracking parameters. And next we have page feeds, which is an extra option. For suppose you want to drive traffic per particular pages, then you can create a page feed of those pages and you can add it here, and then Google will send traffic to only those pages. And while running these kind of page feed ads, you need to uncheck the boxes in final URL. For suppose this needs to be unchecked, then it will sends traffic to these pages. Okay. And next we have brand exclusion, where you can exclude brands from here. For suppose we need to create a brand exclusion list, then you can add it here. For suppose if I click on new brand list, you can name the brand list here, and you can search for any companies upgrade. If you search for upgrade, it shows the URLs of upgrade company. You can check these boxes and you can exclude to these keywords those who are searching in Google. You can click on save and it will automatically save. And next, okay, we have discussed about this, and next click on next. In Performance Max we have asset groups. Okay, we have to create different types of assets based upon the goal. For suppose the number one, first you have a goal for conversations or legion, you can create an one asset. And next, for awareness or something reach, then you can create an different asset group. Okay, and let's name it asset group. And here you can see show high quality ads to your right people. Start by bidding your start by adding your assets, the building blocks of every ad. Google will test different combinations of create high performance ads across formats and networks with best of your goals and audience they want to reach. So Google will automatically try different types of creatives, different types of text and everything. It will automatically rotates which has more interactive, then it will try to show that kind of ads to the people. Okay, and now here you have to add the final URL. Here we need to add the actual final URL. And for this, you can even add assets as well. It shows for different kinds of ads. And next we need to add 20 different images. Okay. So if I go to asset library, you can select the images which are relevant for you. Click on save. And next we have logos. You need to add at least 5 logos here. And next we have videos. You can add it from your direct YouTube URL. Search for YouTube. You can add the URL here and it shows there. For if you don't have videos, Google will automatically create videos actually based upon your images. So if I click on view ideas, it will automatically shows data based upon your website. And next we have long headlines. So like this, you can write up to 5 long headlines here. And next we have descriptions. You can select whichever relevant to your ad. And next we have business name. Here you can see this is our ad look like on different platforms. For suppose this is how our such ad look like, and if I go to Gmail, this is how our ad look like, and if it is closed in promotions tabs, it look like this. Sorry, in promotions tabs look like this. And next we have YouTube, and in YouTube it's look like this. Okay, and if I go to desktop version, it's look like this. It's look like this on desktop. Okay, and if you need, you can add assets as well. Okay, and next we have call to action. You can set as an automate, or you can select which one suits for you. Learn more, sign up, contact us, something like that. I can select contact us. And next we have more assets and more options. Display path you can give here, and final URL for mobile. For suppose if you have a different URL from mobile, you can directly paste it. You can check this box and paste it here. That's it. And next, the main thing we have ad signals. Based upon these, the Google will try to bring conversions to you. Like whatever the data you give, based upon these data only, the Google will run ads across the Google platforms. First, we have search themes, which are newly added in Performance Max campaign. What does this means? For suppose what kind of words like people think on websites, or what kind of keywords they search, and mainly what they search about your business. So you can, like, what kind of phrases they search about your business, you can directly give. In our case it's digital marketing, so digital marketing code, something like that you can add. These are all under review. Once it's done, it shows that. And next we have your data. This is enough first party data which you collect while like it's maybe remarketing data or your customer lists or something like that. If you go here, it shows you can, if you have any data used, you can add it from here, or else you can browse. And if you have any data created in your audience segments, then you can add it from there as well, or else you can create a new segment from here as well. Okay, now click on new segments. It's pretty straightforward. It is asking like which kind of data you want to target from here. YouTube users or Google Analytics 4 segments. You can import data and you can feed it here. And in audience manager, this has been not yet highlighted. This has been not yet highlighted because you have to create it in your audience manager. Then only it highlights. And next we have interested details and demographics. Here you can add an in-market affinity and live events audience. For suppose if you click here, it shows different types of segments. You can add it from here. Okay, it has many other in-market and affinity. If you browse, it shows in-market affinity, custom segments, detailed demographics, everything you can add it from here. And you can narrow down from here as well if you browse these segments. Okay, that is about interest and detailed demographics. And next we have demographics. In demographics, we can narrow down their age based upon gender and even additional their parental status and more household income like that. Okay. And after this, click on next. Based upon the signals you feed here, the Google will try to deliver more to this kind of people only. And next, click on next. And next we have budget. You can directly set the budget, how much you are willing to spend on this ad, and then click on next. And if it is any error in your ad while setting up, it shows up here. So it's asking like we have selected a goal as a conversion, so it's asking to set up a lead form. If you fix, you can click and fix it and you can add it this lead form here. After feeding all the information, then next click on save. It has been saved. Then click on apply. It will apply to the ad. And next, click on next. Click on next. And now from here, you can publish the campaign. And that's it. How we can create an actual Performance Max campaign. Okay. And here the main important in Performance Max campaign is the right assets you pick and the signals you set and the data you feed to the campaign. That helps you to drive more conversions and leads. And initially while setting up the performance campaign, before setting up the performance campaign, go with the normal actual campaigns which you get some data into your Google Ads account. And even if you are running in a search campaign parallelly along with performance campaign, it doesn't affect. For suppose if you are using any keywords in your search campaign, uh, that which has that the user search relevant to that keyword, the Google will try to show only the search ad rather than this performance max campaign. If the user searches which is not in your keyword list and but your ad is relevant to that, then Google will try to show this performance campaign to them. Okay, and this is about performance campaigns. So after publishing, it takes some time to review, then it starts delivering impressions and everything. Okay. Thank you guys.